Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to the new Expenses feature, which allows you to easily capture receipts, transfer them to a top sheet, and submit them for approval. To get started, go to www.digitalpurchaseorder.com and log in. If you are not already assigned to a PO book, please ask your administrator to invite you to the project. Once logged in, you can select your PO book and navigate to the expense inbox. You can upload receipts directly from there. Alternatively, you can use our mobile app to scan your documents. Enter your login details, select the correct PO book, and use the plus sign to navigate to the Upload Expenses button. If you only want to capture single-page receipts, simply take a photo of each one. When finished, click the Save button on the right and select Upload as individual documents. If you have multi-page receipts, take a photo of each page, click Save again, and then select Upload as one document. This will create a single multi-page file. Please note that you can only upload receipts to your own account. You cannot capture documents and assign them to other users. Once you have scanned all your files, return to your browser and select the Expense inbox. You will now see all the receipts you have uploaded. First, you need to validate them. To do this, select any row and click the Validate button. You will now see your document on the left and what DPO has pre-populated for you on the right. You can, of course, edit all the data. Don't forget to check the company name and the gross amount. You can also enter a description for each item, select a department if necessary, and optionally fill in the account code fields if you are authorized to do so. Also, check if your document may contain multiple tax rates. If so, you will need to create additional lines and select the correct tax rate for each item. The DPO may have already done this split for you. If everything is correct, click on the green button to validate your first receipt. Once you have checked all the expenses, simply switch to the Ready mode and select all the receipts you wish to include in your top sheet. DPO will automatically fill in all the information in the table. Simply add your position, review all the data, and finally click on the Create Top Sheet button. If you would like to review all the information you have submitted, you can do so in the Expense View section. There is also an option to download all existing expense top sheets as a PDF document. To review all your receipts individually, go to your expense inbox and select My Receipts. Here, you can either search for specific items or filter by status. If any receipts have been rejected, they will also appear here. You can either delete them or resubmit them for approval. If you have further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at 1-888-376-7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please also check our other video tutorials on the main tutorial page.